Assalamu alaikum student, how are you? Today we start from question number 5, exercise 1.3. The remaining part of the exercise 1.3 from question number 5. Now open your books, see on page number 14, read the question number 5. On page number 14. On page number 14. 14. Now we start question number 5. Question number 5 is exercise matrix C is equal to -1, 0, 0, 0, -2, 3, 1, 1, 2. Verify the following. Verify the following matrices or rules. First part and second part do yourself. Here we solve the third part. The third part is B plus C is equal to C plus B. Here we are to verify that left hand side is equal to right hand side. First of all, we solve left hand side. Left hand side is equal to B plus C. Instead of B, we write matrix B, and instead of C, we write the matrix C. Matrix B is 1, -1, 1, 2, -2, 2, 3, 1, 3. And matrix C is -1, 0, 0, 0, -2, 3, 1, 1, 2. Now add these two matrices. 1 plus into -1. Here we add the first element with the first element of the matrix, second element with the second element of the matrix, third element with the third element of the matrix. -1 plus 0, 1 plus 0, 2 is added with 0, -2 is added with -2, 2 is added with 3, 3 is added in 1, 1 is added in 1, and 3 is added in 2. Here we add corresponding elements. Now simplify, it becomes 0, -1, 1, 2, -4, 5, 4, 2, 5. We say it equation number 1. Now we write right hand side. Right hand side is C plus B. Here we write matrix C, which is equal to -1, 0, 0, 0, -2, 3, 1, 1, 2. And matrix B is 1, -1, 1, 2, -2, 2, 3, 1, 3. After solving, we have negative 1 plus 1, 0 plus into negative 1, 0 plus 1 means first element is added with the first element, the second one element is added with the second one element. Similarly, we add all these corresponding elements. 0 is added with 2, minus 2 is added in minus 2, negative 2, 3 is added in 2, 1 is added in 3, 1 is added in 1, 2 is added in 3. It becomes 0, negative 1, 1, 2, negative 4, 5, 4, 2, 5. We called it equation number 2. Here we see that equation number 1 and equation number 2 are same. Equation number 1 and equation number 2 are same. From equation 1 and 2, both equations are same. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. That is B plus C is equal to C plus B, which is the required answer. Now we solve another part number 5. Part number 5 is C minus B plus A is equal to C plus A minus B. Part number 5 on book page number 14, question number 5, part number 5. Question number 5, part number 5. C minus B plus A, C plus A minus B. Here we are to verify that C minus B plus A is equal to C plus A minus B. Solution. First of all, we write left hand side. Left hand side is C minus B plus A. We replace the values for matrix C matrix, then negative times of B matrix, bracket plus A matrix. C matrix is negative 1, 0, 0, 0, negative 2, 3, 1, 1, 2. Similarly, B matrix is 1, negative 1, 1, 2, negative 2, 2, 3, 1, 3. And at last, matrix A is 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 1, negative 1, 0. First of all, we solve a bracket. In bracket, we see that there is a negative sign in center in between two matrices. There is a negative sign in between two matrices. That's why these two matrices are subtracted from each other. 1, negative 1 is subtracted from negative 1. That is, the first element subtracts the first element. Similarly, 0, negative into negative 1. There are two negatives. One negative is in between the brackets and one negative is with the 1. Similarly, 0, negative 1, 0, negative 2, negative 2, negative into 2, 3, minus 2, 1 minus 3, 1 minus 1 and 2 minus 3. And similarly, we write 2, 3, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. After solving it, we get negative 2, positive 1, negative 1, negative 2, negative and negative becomes positive. This negative and this negative becomes positive. Positive 2 is subtracted from negative 2. It becomes 0. 1, negative 2, 0, negative 1. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 1, negative 1, 0. Now adding these two matrices, we get, here we directly add these two matrices. The first element is added with the first element, negative 2 and positive 1 becomes negative 1. Similarly, 1 and 2 becomes 3, 2, 0, 3, 2, negative 1, negative 1 and negative 1. We call this equation number 1. Similarly, we solve right hand side. First of all, here we solve left hand side. Now we solve right hand side. Right hand side is C plus A minus B. Replace the matrices C plus larger bracket A minus B. The value of C, the entries of C are 1, 0, 0, 0, minus 2, 3, 1, 1, 2. Elements of matrix A is 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 1, negative 1, 0. Elements of matrix B is 1, negative 1, 1, 2, negative 2, 2, 3, 1, 3. Similarly, solve as above. 0, minus 2, 3, 1, 1, 2. Subtract these two matrices. 1, minus 1, 2, minus into minus 1, 3, minus 1. 2 minus 2, 3 minus into minus 2, 1 minus 2, 1 minus 3, negative 1 minus 3, at last 0 minus 3. After simplification, we get 0. This negative and negative become positive. That's why 2 plus 1 becomes 3, 2, 0. Similarly, 3 plus 2 becomes 5, negative 1, negative 2, negative 4, negative 3. Now add these two matrices. It becomes minus 1 plus 0, 0 plus 3, 0 plus 2, 0 plus 0, minus 2 plus 5, 3 minus 1. Similarly, 1 plus into minus 2, 1 plus into minus 4, at last 2 plus into minus 3. After solving, we get negative 1, 3, 2, 0, 3, 2, minus 1, minus 3 and minus negative 1. We call this equation 2. कनेक्ट है, बच्चों से पूछ लेगा ऑडियो ऑन करके, इसके साथ वाईफाई ऑन इसके साथ, बच्चों से पूछ लेगा ऑडियो ऑन करके। Students,
Yes, sir.
सर अभी
Yes,
आ
sir.
रहे हैं, सर अभी सामने आ रहा बोर्ड, पहले नहीं आ रहा था।
is there any problem?
सर काफी
No,
देर से
sir.
बोर्ड
No, sir.
विजिबल नहीं था सर आपका।
यस सर, काफी देर से बोर्ड
Okay,
इनविजिबल था।
तकदीर आपकी
I'll
आवाज
repeat
कट
all the
वाली
questions.
तरह हो गई है।
There is a network problem. Wait for a minute.
तकदीर आपकी आवाज कट
लेकिन वो इसके साथ नहीं है, इसके साथ कनेक्ट कर लेता हूँ। ये मैं Windows 6 के साथ सही। Are you listening my voice?
यस अभी सही आवाज आ रही है।
सर अभी सही आवाज आ
यस सर।
Now again,
जी सर आवाज आ रही है।
तकदीर
question
आपकी
number
आवाज
question number 5, part number 5. In question number 5, part number 5, we are to verify that left hand side, which is C minus B plus A, is equal to C plus A minus B. नहीं, वो कह रहे हैं। Question number 5, part number 5. Left hand side is C minus B plus A is equal to C plus A minus B. Here we write the left hand side, which is C minus B plus A. We replace the values of the matrix C and matrix B and matrix A. After subtracting, we get -1 into -1, 0 -1, 0 -1, 2 -2, 2 -2 into -2, 3 -2, 1 -3, 1 -1 and 2 -3. Similarly, write a matrix A as it is. After solving it, we get 2 -2, 1 -1, -2 0 1, -2 0 -1. After adding these two matrices, we get -1 3 2 0 3 2, -1 -1 and -1. We call this equation number 1. Similarly we solve the right hand side. Right hand side is C plus A minus B. Here we write matrix C, matrix A and matrix B. After solving it, we get 0 -1 3 2 0 3 2 -1 -1 and -1. From 1 and 2, we see that left hand side is equal to right hand side. From 1 and 2, we see that left hand side is equal to right hand side, which is the required answer. Clear everyone?
Yes, sir, all clear.
Okay.
What's your problem? What's your problem?
सर मेरा एक
सर क्लियर, सब कुछ क्लियर है, ठीक है।
Okay.
सर मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है। हेलो हेलो हेलो
Amir Shah,
सर एक्सरसाइज कॉपी पे भी करनी है।
हेलो इब्राहिम सर हेलो हेलो
now we come across the question number 6. The question number 6 is question number 6. If A is equal to 1, -2, 3, 4, B is equal to 0, 7, -3, 8, then first part find the first part is 3A minus 2B. The question number 6 is on page number 15. Here we are to find the value of 3A minus 2B. 3, instead of A we write the matrix A, which is 1, -2, 3, 4. -2, instead of B we write the matrix B, 0, 7, -3, 8. Here we multiply this 3 with all entries. This 3 is multiplied with 1, with -2, with 3 and with 4. It becomes 3 into 1, 3 into -2, 3 into 3, 3 into 4. And next this 2 is multiplied with every entry of the matrix B, which becomes 2 into 0, 2 into 7, 2 into -3, 2 into 8. Now simplify it. 3, -6, 9, 12, 0, 14, -6 and 16. Now subtract these two matrices. We get 3, -0, -6, -14, 9, negative into -6, 12, -16. After simplifying it, we get 3, -20, it's 15, it's -4, which is the required answer. It's clear to everyone? Okay. Second part solved by yourself. Now come across question number 7. If 2 into 2, 4, -3A plus 3 into 1B, 8, -4 is equal to 7, 10, 18, 1. Then find A and B. Solution. Here given that the matrix 2 into 2, 4, -3A plus 3 into 1B, 8, -4 is equal to 7, 10, 18 and 1. We are to find the value of A and B. It's very important question. First of all, given that 2 into 2 4 negative 3a plus 3 into 1 b 8 negative 4 is equal to 7 10 18 1. Simplified, 2 is multiply with every entry of this matrix. We get 4 8 negative 6 2a. Similarly, 3 is multiply with every entry of the matrix. We get 3 3b. 8 times of 3 becomes 24. 3 into minus 4 becomes negative 12. 18 10 1. Now add these two matrices. Add, we get 4 add with 3, 8 is added with 3b, negative 6 is added 24, 2a is added in negative 12. 7 10 18 1, we write it as it is. Now simplify it. 7 8 plus 3b 18, 2a minus 12 is equal to 7 10 18 and 1. By the definition of equal matrices, first element must be equal to the first element, second element must be equal to second element. Therefore, we write 8 plus 3b is equal to 10. After solving it, 3b okay. नजर आ रही होगी हाँ। नेटवर्क
सर अब नजर आ रहा है?
आया भी नजर आपको? ओके, नाउ
सर अटक अटक के चल रहा है, कभी आपकी आवाज सही नहीं आ रही, कभी उधर वो सही नहीं आ रही।
सर आपकी आवाज ठीक से नहीं आ रही।
यस सर आपकी आवाज सही नहीं आ रही।
fourth one element is equal to the fourth one element, which is 2a Negative 12 is equal to 1. That is 2a is equal to 1 plus 12. 2a is equal to 13. A is equal to 13 divided by 2. Here we write the fourth element is equal to the fourth one element. Now after solving, here the 12 is negative. On the right hand side it becomes positive. 12 plus 1 becomes 13. 2 is multiply with a. On other side it divide, it becomes 13 divided by 2. Therefore a is equal to 13 by 2 and b is equal to by 3 is the required answer. It's clear to everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Question number
Yes,
7 is
sir.
clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now here we define some matrices. First definition is symmetric matrix. It's very important. A matrix A is said to be symmetric matrix if transpose of matrix A is equal to itself. A. Any matrix, say A, is said to be symmetric matrix if transpose of a matrix A is equal to itself. Is the definition of symmetric matrix. For example, here we consider a matrix A which is equal to 1, 2, -3, -3. Now taking transpose on both sides, A transpose is equal to. In transpose, what we will do? Rows is written in the form of column. 1, -3 row is written in form of column. The second one row is also written in form of column. -3 and 2. Here we see that matrix A transpose again becomes A. Therefore, A is symmetric. I repeat it again. A matrix A is said to be symmetric matrix if A transpose becomes A. Now, second definition is skew symmetric matrix. A matrix, say A, is said to be skew symmetric matrix if A transpose is equal to -A. Any matrix A is said to be skew symmetric matrix. Any matrix A is said to be skew symmetric matrix if A transpose is equal to negative of A. Then the matrix is said to be a skew symmetric matrix. Here we solve question number 8. Question number 8 is, if A is equal to 1 2 0 1, B is equal to 1 1 2 0, then first of all verify that. First part is A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose B transpose. We write first of all its left hand side, which is A plus B whole transpose. Instead of A, we write matrix A, plus instead of B, we write matrix B and take whole as a transpose. Matrix A is 1 2 0 1 and matrix B is 1 1 2 0. Now adding these two matrices, we have 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 0 plus 2, 1 plus 0. Whole transpose. It becomes 2 3 2 1 transpose. Now taking transpose, in transpose rows is converted into columns, that is 2 3 is converted into column 2 3. Again this 2 1 is converted into column 2 1. We called its equation number 1. Now right hand side is equal to A transpose B transpose. First of all write a matrix A with whole transpose, a matrix B, matrix B with whole transpose. Matrix A is 1 2 0 1, matrix B is 1 1 2 0. First of all take the transpose. In transpose rows is converted into columns. It becomes 1 2 0 1. Now taking transpose of B, 1 1 2 0. After solving, 1 is added in 1, 0 is added in 2, 2 is added in 1, 1 is added in 0. Simplify it, it becomes 2 3 2 1. We call this equation number 2. From equation number 1, we see that it becomes 2 2 3 1. In equation number 2 it becomes 2 2 3 1. That is, answers are same. From 1 and 2, left hand side is equal to right hand side. That is, A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose B transpose.
सर ये वाला सर नंबर 8 नहीं समझ आया
सर ये आखिरी क्वेश्चन दोबारा समझाओगे
सर ये क्वेश्चन 8 नहीं समझ आया
Question number 8.
सर टाइम हो
Question
गया
number 8 is, question number 8 is, if matrix A and matrix B, then verify that. We are to verify A plus B